Man, this job I'm at's got me fucked up right now. Well, the whole shop's fucked up, I should say. Once this car goes, I'll go into detail. Window cleaning. So historically, we've always had Thanksgiving and the day after Thanksgiving off. And this fucking company must have failed like basic economics in high school, where they had supply versus demand. They had very low supply and a high demand. So you know what they did? Instead of upping the cost of the supply to meet the demand, they oversold the supply they had. So now we gotta fucking work a lot more to meet the demand that they sold for, which isn't bad necessarily. They mandated every weekend, right? That's not the bad part. I was okay with that. I can do weekends. I was going to work most weekends anyway since we're going into wintertime. However, the part that has a lot of people fucked up at this job right now, that's very, very unhappy about it. So we have Thanksgiving, we have Black Friday off. It's a holiday. They just said, fuck you guys. We're mandating you to work that Friday. You cannot use vacation time anymore to make that Friday go away, even if you wanted to. And we're also mandating that same Saturday. So now instead of having a 4-day weekend, we have a 1-day, 2 mandatory days, and a 1-day. And you might be thinking, oh, that's not fine, that's fine, it's whatever, right? It's Black Friday. Well, a lot of us have planned family shit around having that Black Friday off, and we're all very mad about that. Part 2 of why we're mad about that, they did the same shit for Christmas. So we get the 24th and the 25th off for Christmas. I had taken the 26th off so I could have a 5-day weekend and hang out with my family, my friends, just kind of relax, you know? It's the end of the year, I don't want to do a whole lot. They made any and all vacation on that day null and void, so now you have to work that day, and they also mandated that Saturday. So not only have they canceled half of a holiday to make us come in and work, they canceled vacation for the following holiday to make you come in and work. And if you don't come in, you get 3 points, and you don't qualify for holiday pay anymore. And if you're late on those days, you also don't qualify for holiday pay anymore. Tell me how the fuck that's supposed to make any of us happy. And I guarantee you, I already know for a fact, none of the upper management that is making this a thing is going to be there, which has me even more fucked up, because essentially they're like, yeah, we oversold, you guys come in and fix it for us, we're going to go home and make salary money on top of our having holiday time with our families. And it's like, what the fuck? And then they're like, oh, well, you know, you're getting triple time on Black Friday and double time on Saturday because it's normal holiday stuff. And it's like, well, I'd rather have time with my family or myself than triple time. I mean, yeah, it'll be a good check, but motherfucker, I had stuff going on that day that I wanted to actually go and do during the work hours, and now I cannot. This shit has me fucked up. The kicker part is, everybody makes fun of it, is it's supposed to be a Christian company. They shove that down your throat so fucking much that you might as well be seeing it come out your fucking ass that it's a Christian company. And then they pull shit like this. They're supposed to put values on family and friends and the Lord and all that shit, and then they fucking take that from us. My voice cracked because I have a dry throat, son of a bitch. But it's just, I don't know, man. A lot of people are very pissed off about it. Hearing that we make triple time on Friday is like making it a little less shit, because I mean, like I said, good paycheck, but motherfuckers, there's going to be a lot of people that are no longer going to be able to go to their family gatherings because they're out of town. My family lives in town, so I'm lucky there, thankfully. But if I had to go to Tennessee, I wouldn't be getting paid for that. I'd be getting hella points. How does that make sense? I know, breaking news. Biker guy complains about shit to a camera and then posts it on the internet. I don't know. It's got me fucked up. I was a lot angrier earlier, and now I've kind of composed my thoughts. The best part about all this too, right? they didn't have a meeting about this. They told the supervisors, who then were supposed to tell the team leads, who were supposed to tell all of us. So they didn't even take any of the hit for it. The fucking team leads did, which is absolutely fucking cowardly. They disrespect us by making our family time go away, and they don't even have the balls to say it to our face, you know? Oh, but that's just part of working in a factory. Alright, yeah, cool. See how you fucking fare when the same shit happens to you one of these days, you know? Not every one of us wants to waste our life away in a fucking factory all the time, especially on the holidays. I get to see my family like this once a fucking year. I would like to be able to follow up on that. But, nope, instead I gotta go home early because, you know, I gotta work the next day, and if I'm not there, I don't get paid for having the fucking holiday off. Man, some bullshit. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was gonna try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm gonna shout this guy out. He's gonna have no fucking idea who the hell I am.